Hey, greetings and salutations to you people of the interwebs. So today we're going to be unboxing and doing the first impressions of this guy. This is Transformers R.E.D. Robot Enhanced Design Beast Wars Cheetor. So this is another one of these non-transforming action figures based on a popular character from within the Transformers franchise. Obviously, as I've said, it's Beast Wars Cheetor. So again, looking at the box, love that bit of box out there. That's pretty cool. I do like it's been a bit dinged up here in the postage, because these aren't currently available in the UK. We don't know if they are ever going to be available in the UK. So I went on the evils of eBay, bought these for a decent enough price, but then, tax and shipping on top kind of pushed it up there. So yeah, he's a little bit Beast Wars bot, and I do like the boxes. I like the window where you can pretty much see him head to toe, and then that little window there that shows off the accessories. I think that's a good touch. It's a good touch, and without further ado, we will get this guy open. I think that's just a bit of paper, probably the warnings. So we've got one plastic clamshell with Cheetor in, and one, it's not really a clamshell, it's just a plastic thing because it's not connected. So with the accessories, so then again, if you wanted to have a look in the back, we have this kind of grey blueprint of Cheetor, which is quite cool, and then we have the figure itself. So as this one, it doesn't appear to have any twisty ties, so let's get him out of here. So again, there's a bit of rattling going on there, but not too bad. Because he's built sturdier already, the plastic feels better on this guy than it did on RC. Oh, yeah, look at this guy. I mean, I don't know how well you can make out the proportions on him. He's built, man. He is built. This is kind of like how Cheetor sees himself, because that's not like, even the face sculpt is a little bit cocky. It's got like that cockiness of the Transmetal 2 Cheetor on the original Cheetor body, but it's a lot more athletic. I mean, look at those calves. Yeah. So I don't know if this is a particularly good representation of the character as my first impressions, but it looks like a super heroic action figure. Yeah. So I've got a ball joint at the head here. Again, that head, there's something a bit too mature about it to be Cheetor. I mean, this looks like they could, even though the face is, again, it's wrong for Tigertron, but the actual physical of him, that is a Tigertron, So I don't know if it'd be an easy repaint. Just change the head up slightly, and just the build of it just feels, more him. So again, there's something. Do we have a removable? So you can remove this guy's chest as well, and Anything else? Can you? It's like pulling stuff off and like going, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do this. But yeah, you can take off those cheetah legs if you want. Yeah, just to get a bit more of an idea of what the articulation is like down here or up here. So there's a swivel here at the top of the shoulder, but there's a swivel also if that comes out slightly. Does it? So it swivels, but then it swivels again on the joint next to it, so it doesn't. It's a bit, you know, it swivels there at the shoulder blade, but that doesn't actually add any extra articulation to the swivel that's there again. I suppose you can. It's got a swivel there and a bend. And it's got a bicep swivel, and there's a swivel at the elbow, single jointed, and in and out there at the hand. There is an ab crunch. Yeah, it's not feel, the plastic doesn't feel as gummy as it did on an RC. So you can the ab joint goes backwards on this. Not, I suppose it feels like you maybe can push it forward a bit as well. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so that works. Let's get him fully dressed. There's a waist swivel. You can kick out, you can kick backwards and forwards. There's a thigh swivel and a double jointed knee. Is it quite? Boop. As it would do on the whoosh, boop. And there's an ankle rocker and plenty of movement there at the foot and some peg holes as well. Just how athletic are those legs? He looks like a runner. He does. You know, that's what I like about this. He looks like a runner. Let's put his. I like the kibbles extra, but these bits aren't. But this bit is, and so we've got, even when you remove it, the spots are there on the back, so that's fully covered. Yeah, all the way round, painted really well. The bronze really stands out as well. So it's, you know, coloured plastic on the arms, but on the legs and back there it's painted on the head crest as well. So done a really good job of the metallic as well, making it a metallic blue as well. It's done a really good job with. It's just that the head sculpt, the face sculpt just doesn't seem like him. So accessory wise, we've got some purple blast effects, 2 different kinds. We've got 2 sets of hands, so RC only had 1 set of hands. So we've got some rawr hands and some trigger holding hands. We've got the cat guts gun thing that he had. Again, the bronze is painted really well on there, and the cheetah spots, the handle, and also has this lump of raw energon, which is the translucent purple and then painted grey. So that looks pretty cool. So let's just swap out some hands here. Let's do one trigger hand and one rawr. So yeah, pew pew pew, and this you can put that blast effect on. Bloop. This blast effect. Bloop. Let's see. So I don't know if they'll work. So they won't work on the little pegs there because it's more of a insert. So I don't know if anyone has a hand has a decent sized open barrel. Let's see. Do we have anyone? I don't have anyone at hand who has like a big cannon type thing. So we might go on those, like because it looks like the old Minicom ports. So those type of things might work with these blast effects, but they're not compatible directly with the other ones. So that's what we need to know. That's the important thing we need to know. Size comparisons. Is with a Siege Deluxe Class Sideswipe, with your standard Marvel Legends. See, it looks super heroic. He's got a super heroic silhouette, this guy. And with your classic G.I. Joe scale, the Dreadnought Dread Pirate Zanzibar. It's looking, oh, he's a bit big. It's not a Tiger King. With RC. RC looks stunning, but the materials kind of ruin it. And I don't know if it's just because she's smaller and she's got thinner joints. If these are the same, if this is the same plastic or not. It doesn't feel like the same plastic, but it could just be because it's thicker. It just feels better. I don't know. But even kind of like the design of the joints here seem different. Let's see. It's different size. It's different size holes on the chest, so I can't swap the chest arm around. Yeah, I mean, she looks stunning, but the materials let her down. But this guy, Cheetor, or super heroic Cheetor, looks great. Here he is next to the Kingdom Cheetor for scale. You can see a lot of similar things going on here. I'd say if you wanted one that was show accurate to Beast Wars, it's probably pick up the Netflix version of this guy with the blue more like this guy. But if you want a cool figure that transforms, pick up Kingdom Cheetor. But if you just want a cool action figure that happens to be a cheetah robot man, go for the R.E.D line. So yeah, this is his catgut weapon. Kind of fit. It doesn't quite, you know, hold it at a weird angle because it's not it's not designed for him. But it kind of fits there. So if you wanted that weapon with your Cheetor, but yeah, no, I'm really impressed with this. But yeah, that's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's this crazy kind of conundrum because she encapsulates the character of Prime R.C perfectly, but he's let down by the choice of materials. The sculpt work's there, the engineering's there somewhat. Well, the materials for the slight frame don't work. This guy, he's chunky, he's muscular, he's athletic. It doesn't quite encapsulate that awkward young character from the Beast Wars show. He looks too heroic for that. But he's a good action figure. Yeah. Like his spikes here on his shins. I do like this just bit of energy on. I don't know, it's just like it. Yeah, Transformers robot enhanced design. I suppose he's enhanced. He's enhanced from his original design. It's like he's had the Nucleon treatment, isn't it? Yeah, we'll go for that in the head cannon. It's like Nucleon powered Cheetor. I'd recommend it. I would recommend it. Thanks for joining me. In the meantime, between my next videos, why don't you like, comment, subscribe, share. Your comments are always grateful to see how we're going on. Help my algorithms and all that. And you can always ring my bell, so then you'll be informed the next time I make a shitty video. Until then, be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes, and because you deserve it, Pisto! Disto!